have our Bairn carrier in Sekai Aliona, which is coming on the 10th of April as well. So this is 100% cotton, this Sekai Aliona. We do have some on the website in wraps and ring slings, which have also got a bit of superwash wool and silk in them as well. But we just decided to go for a really nice and easy care for the Bairn. So I want to give you a little bit of a refresher of how it goes on and the amazing features of the Bairn, and also show you how amazing the colourway is in Sekai Aliona. So as you can see, it packs up super small. It's really easy to store if you don't have a lot of space at home, or if you're just looking for something to take out and about with you for a walk, and your little one wants multiple ups and downs. So it works from newborn all the way through to about 2 years old, and it's super simple and easy to use. So we've got the lovely padded straps here and complementary colourway for the webbing, which is always something we try to do at Oscha, because we're all about aesthetics as well as comfort. So I'm just going to slide the cinch along here to make the panel width a little bit narrower for my 3-month-old doll. And I'm also going to flip the waistband a bit as well, so that you get the shorter panel height as well. And then I've just tied it on there, and then I'll get my baby. So I'm going to sit her just over the waistband there. And I'm going to do cross straps at the back with this one. It can also go on as rucksack straps, as kind of traditional straps with a chest belt that comes with the carrier as well. But I like to do cross straps for quickness and ease. So I'm just going to grab one strap, clip it in at this side, grab the other one, clip it in at this side, and then just tighten each side a little bit. Make sure that my baby's sitting in a nice deep in position, and that I'm nice and comfy too. So that's the Bairn carrier. So I hope you have enjoyed my video today, and I look forward to bringing you more updates soon. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and you can get the first videos of our new releases.